Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to increase Java memory in Windows 7. Click on the Start button and go to Control Panel. Select Programs. Go to Java Settings. Select Java tab. Click on the View button. Change amount of heap. In the runtime permits column, change the value, or if it's blank, decide for the new value of the Java memory. To modify the parameter, double-click in the runtime parameters column and type XMS512M. That assigns 512 MB memory for the Java. Click on OK button on the Java runtime environment settings to close it. Click on Apply to finalize the new Java memory. Then click on the OK button. Close the Windows 7 control panel. This is how we can increase Java memory in Windows 7.